We'll be giving you our tips for baking the best brownie. Watch this video till the end. We'll be showing you in this video how to get that shiny glossy crust on the brownie. It's the most fudgy chocolatey brownie. Dark chocolate 250 grams or 2 cups. Chopped chocolate required. Cut the chocolate into small pieces. Use the double boiler method to melt the chocolate. Add 200 grams of butter unsalted, use here. Gradually the chocolate will begin to melt. Stir occasionally and combine the butter with the chocolate. When well combined and everything is melted, take off the heat.
Remember, do not stir the chocolate vigorously while melting, as the butter will separate from the chocolate.
Allow the melted chocolate to cool. Take another bowl. Add 3¼ cup brown sugar. Add ½ cup of granulated white sugar. Add 3 medium-sized eggs at room temperature.
Tip: add 1 egg at a time. Make sure the sugar melts in well.
Whisk in well after adding each egg. The key to get the perfect glossy shiny crust on the brownie is dissolving the sugar completely. To dissolve the sugar you need to whisk vigorously until it turns creamy as shown.
Tip: eggs should always be at room temperature for baking.
This step takes time but worth spending it. Whisk until you achieve a creamy mix. Do using a hand whisk, no hand mixer required. Add in 1¼ teaspoon salt. 1 teaspoon of vanilla essence. Give it a good mix. Add 3¼ cup of all-purpose flour. ½ cup of cocoa powder.
Tip: use dark cocoa powder for baking brownies.
Sift them to get rid of any lumps.
Tip: while baking, always sift the dry ingredients.
Combine well. Don't need to do vigorously at this stage. Once well combined, add in the melted chocolate.
Tip: less flour and more chocolate for a fudgy brownie.
At this stage the batter will get dense due to the chocolate added. Use a spatula to mix well. Grease the baking pan and place parchment paper on it. Spread the batter evenly. Shake and tap once gently, not much. A perfect baked brownie with a shiny crust.
Tip: allow the brownie to cool down completely 2 to 3 hours before cutting into pieces.
If you don't allow it to cool down well, you won't get good pieces. Please share this video so that everyone learns to bake the perfect brownie. See you next on Monday. If you like this video and want to learn baking with me, please subscribe to my channel and stay connected. Please like, share, comment.